In today's video, I'm going to show you how to engrave high-definition, high-contrast images onto stainless steel tags using a fiber laser marking machine. Alright, fellow makers, here we are in LightBurn. The first thing to keep in mind, which by the way you can easily set up in EzCad as well, is that we imported this image directly from Google with a transparent background and the software preserved it perfectly. When you look at this section, you will notice a blue border around the design. That means it's assigned to layer C1. You can rename this layer or keep it as C1. The program automatically detects it as an image, giving us the option to adjust the fill and line settings. Let's double click on layer C1 to open the cut settings editor. To get a deep, crisp engraving, we are going to set the speed to 100 millimeters per second. Note that this is in millimeters per second, unlike diode lasers, which LightBurn typically measures in millimeters per minute. Next, we will set maximum and minimum power to 100%. For the line interval, it's crucial to use tighter spacing to achieve optimal results. When you decrease the line interval, the resolution increases, boosting your DPI dots per inch or lines per inch. LightBurn offers several image processing modes, which I cover in depth during my one-on-one fiber laser training sessions. For this photographic engraving, we're going to select Jarvis mode. To recap our image layer settings: speed 100 millimeters per second, power 100%, mode, Jarvis, and line interval. Now let's configure the text elements. Since they are on layer 00 black color, all text objects sharing this layer will inherit the exact same speed and power parameter. Double-click the layer to open settings, set speed 100 millimeters per second and power 100%. Click OK. Next, select both the vector outline and the image, right-click, and select Apply Mask to Image. Now, let's preview our design area. LightBurn provides two framing options: standard bounding box framing and contour shape framing. In the leaf framing window, you can choose between bounds rectangular frame or contour following the exact vector shape. This allows us to visualize precisely where the laser beam will strike and ensure perfect alignment on our blank. Once aligned, hit start to run the job. Here are the 10 exclusive gifts from Creative Fabrica, so you can download all these stickers or search for anything else you like. We are talking 10 full packs completely free to help you start boosting your income today. Head over to Creative Fabrica. I will leave the link in the comments so you can grab yours. Just scroll down to find the 10 free products with a risk-free trial section. Go ahead and start your free trial. You will need to create an account, but your discount for those 10 vector packs is already applied. It'll show up as $0. And here's the best part. After your trial, the price drops from the usual $10 to just $3.99 a month when you sign up for the year. You will be fully covered with an annual plan. If you decide it's not for you, you can cancel before the first month ends with no strings attached and no extra charges. But if you buy it, you will have year-round access to thousands of vectors to grow your business and support your family. Let's get creating. Time to start engraving. Watch how the beam performs when the machine is calibrated for maximum yield. A properly tuned fiber unit fires with full energy efficiency, unlike uncalibrated setups that lose up to 40% or 50% power output. Zooming in, you can see how fast the raster process is. Look at that spark intensity. That's the mark of a perfectly calibrated machine. The total job time for this photo tag was 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Once completed, you will notice a light layer of surface residue. This is not burnt paint or a removed coating. This is deep, direct thermal marking, etched straight into the solid stainless steel. Let's turn off the machine exhaust and give the piece a quick wipe with a microfiber cloth. Notice the exceptional photorealism, smooth gradients, and rich contrast. We achieved this directly from a high DPI raster image without needing to trace or vectorize it into line art. If you prefer a lighter, lower contrast finish, you can easily adjust your power and frequency settings to match your personal style or client preferences. I imported these raw stainless steel blanks directly from China. If you want to source these materials or need a complete guide on speeds, power parameters, and focal settings for fiber and diode lasers, visit my website at elmundodelaser.com. I hope these parameters and LightBurn tips help you elevate your custom metal engraving projects. Make sure to subscribe to El Mundo de Láser with Sublimonchis for more tutorials. Happy engraving and see you in the next video.